Welcome to Maria's channel! So, dadagdagan natin. Anong gagawin ni Maria ngayon? Mag-count ng 1 to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! And we clap our hands. Very good. How old are you, Malia? 3. 3. Very good. Flying kiss. I love you, Maling. Sabi mo, hi, Mama. Hi, Papa. Hi, Ate. Hello po. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye.